Welcome to Guy's Grocery Games. 4 returning champs are hoping to take another victory lap around the market. Let's meet them. Now, first up, it's Trevor Ball.
Yeah, baby, I'm back. Woo!
A private chef who combined his German background and love of Mexican flavors to take home $20,000. Next up, Veronica Eiken. Woo! A private chef and catering company owner from California wine country whose culinary chops earned her a big shopping spree. Then we've got the wild man himself, Walter Potenza. You are, without question, one of the biggest pieces of work we've ever had on this show. And we couldn't have an all-star competition without Erika Tucker, a martial artist turned executive chef. There you go, see that? I'm gonna kick you. Who fought her way through 3 rounds for the big win. To show off your winning skills from the start, I want you to get innovative. I want you to make us an innovative appetizer. There are 4 of you. Then there will be 3 of you, then 2 of you, and then 1 of you will go.
I think that I want to make scallops.
Instantly, I'm like, s'mores.
I'm gonna make sort of a tortilla, but I'm gonna make it into a corn cake.
Watch out. I think she's making tortillas and marshmallows.
Real marshmallows.
Our plan for this dish is to create some sort of a spread. So I've grabbed the chickpeas and the parsnip.
Chefs, we have 90 seconds left.
Ooh, look at those handshakes.
I'm a little bit concerned about some of the parsnip. It's not completely pureed. We're gonna put it out anyway, see what happens.
10,
These chefs are really taking care with their presentation.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working.
Nice, chefs. Good job. Fantastic.
Well done, guys.
All right, judges, this is game 1, innovative appetizer. It was let it roll. First up, Chef Trevor.
Howdy, guy.
Hey there, Salty.
We're going off the base of like a s'more, and we had chili chocolate mayo.
Chef Trevor, if you put this in front of my children, bacon s'mores, I mean, forget it.
Up next, Chef Erika.
So today for you guys, I made a masa cake. On top of it is a fresh corn salsa, almost like Mexican street corn, and then I put a little charred marshmallow on top.
I think that this is a very creative dish. The sort of corn salsa, that's phenomenal.
Next up, Chef Walter. Chef, what do you got for us?
You have a lobster tail there. You have a turnip chickpea spread with the marshmallow there.
This is very elegant.
Next up, Chef Veronica, what do you have for us?
A seared scallop with a roasted tomato, preserved lemon.
Chef Veronica, now that is an innovative appetizer.
The chef that we'll be checking out will be Chef Trevor. Congratulations, champs. I've heard of age before beauty, but now I've got age between beauties. That's not nice. To win this uphill battle, you'll need to make the judges an upscale lunch. Well, I know what I don't think when I think upscale lunch. That is clearance carts.
I'm gonna make halibut fillet with some stuffed pasta shell. Now I need some sort of a vegetable here. The 3 of us, we like scavengers going through this pile of rubble, if you will.
I grabbed some beautiful Napa cabbage. So I decided to do a braised cabbage roll and a little crunchy slaw on the side. So then I ran back to the protein cart and see if I can find anything to make a sauce.
I'm gonna make turkey ragu to go over the polenta. I run to the second clearance bin and I grab the Brussels sprouts. I'm starting to question if I should have used frozen Brussels sprouts.
1 minute.
I'm just hoping all these ingredients can equal an upscale lunch.
I think that I delivered exactly what I had in mind. Very simple. And the quality of a good chef is knowing when to leave the plate alone.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working, guys.
Nice job, chefs.
All right, here we are, judges. I love when I can smell clearance carts in the air. Our chefs had to make you an upscale lunch. First up, Chef Walter.
The halibut has some crushed crab boil ingredients outside. some long green beans on the bottom.
Chef Walter,
Yes, sir.
an upscale lunch. You very much achieved that.
Chef Veronica, Chef, what do you have for us?
I have for you today grilled polenta with a morel mushroom and turkey ragu.
Chef Veronica, I think using the broth of the morels is essential because the flavor is actually quite good.
Up next, Chef Erika.
You guys have some cabbage rolls. Now, inside the cabbage rolls, you have some chicken sausage.
Chef Erika, you used a sloppy Joe's sauce.
Yeah.
I think that was a bit of your secret weapon here. It added heat, it gave you acidity.
The chef that will be checking out will be Chef Potenza. Congratulations. Just one win away from your second shopping spree. This is flip this dish. So you're gonna take all your ingredients for the gingerbread cookie and you're gonna flip it into a, how about a pork dinner?
No!
There's what, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 items to go on there?
I'm gonna make a schnitzel dish. So I reach for the almond flour because I love the nuttiness of the almond.
So I'm gonna make a cranberry and apple compote because I think that's gonna be a great way to use the cinnamon stick, ginger, the whole clove, and the molasses.
Erika, Veronica, you have 2 minutes left, 2 minutes to go.
2 minutes. So my cheese curds have risen to the top. I'm very happy about them. I'm very happy about the flavor of the cinnamon and the cloves.
I really like it when I don't hear anything but cooking in the kitchen.
They're trusting their food to do the talking for them.
45 seconds.
I'm sweating, the pressure's on. I gotta make this happen for my family.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working.
Yes, chef!
Thank you, God.
Judges game 3 of our Tournament of Champions. They had to take the ingredients for gingerbread and flip this dish into a pork dinner. First up, Chef Erika, what do you got for us?
So today I made an almond meal and ginger crusted pork schnitzel with a little bit of buttered whiskey molasses haricot vert.
Chef Erika, your salad, that's probably my favorite part of the dish.
Next up, Chef Veronica.
So judges, I have for you today grand champion pork schnitzel.
Chef Veronica, man, I am putting corn flour on pork chops. That is crispy, crunchy.
You two have definitely stuck it out and battled hard, but now one of you will be checking out and the other one going on to the grand finale. And the chef that will be checking out will be Chef Erika.
Woo! Sorry. Thank you.
You ready to get some money?
I'm ready.
Win lots of cash.
Somehow I've got to muster up the energy and the focus to win as much money as I can for my mom and dad.
2 minutes on the clock, 10 items on the list. Each item you put in the cart is $2,000. All 10 items, $20,000. Do not start until I say 3, 2, 1. I just gotta stretch this out. Oh, where's she going? Hang on.
Take it, Veronica.
For turnips,
Somehow I catch the word ranch.
ranch sunflower seeds, chocolate almond milk.
She got it.
All right,
Chocolate almond milk for $16,000.
2 more, Veronica.
Aisle 9, frozen hamburgers. Hello?
Come on, don't give up now.
Go. 2 last
Go,
ones,
go,
that's it.
go.
That's it.
Come on, go.
Kick it in.
Come on.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Oh,
$18,000 again.
I'm laying down too.
Oh my God. I love Flavor Town. I really do.
So how much you win last time?
18.
You're at 18 again.
My lucky number.
$36,000.